Yo, we are live right now. It's been like a day since I went live, not gonna lie. Okay, okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. Let me just quickly go live on TikTok as well because we gotta go live on TikTok. That's where we have the most motion. Alright. I'm live on TikTok right now. I'm recording as well. Let's freaking go. Your boy got motion right now. Boom. Boom. Let's freaking go. We're live. Alright. So we're gonna build an app today. Alright. Super tired. It's like 9 p.m. right now. But your boy gotta make content. Alright, your boy gotta make content. So that's why we're doing it right now. And we also gotta what's it called play some music. So TJ, The Weeknd, Tory Lanez. I don't really know what to listen to right now. Maybe The Weeknd, maybe Tory. We're gonna see. Oh, and your boys go live. You guys, listen. We gotta strap on right now. We gotta strap on, and then we gotta build the first app of the day. All right. Just fix the microphone. So the first app of the day. Gotta see. I gotta think. I gotta think though. The first app of the day, it's gonna be think. Let me think. Let me think. So Riffern from my previous live, he wanted me to build an app for get. I need an app for a garage to track mileage of clients and send them notifications when required. Okay, we're gonna build it. What's going on? Your boy is vibe coding right now. I'm making content for Bloom, making sure it grows. That's what we're doing right now. Just getting a lot of content in before I head to bed. We can also build a beauty salon app. Yo, what up, big man? What up? What up? I'm gonna call you Pablo, bro. I just saw your name. It's gonna be a chill one today for sure, man. It's late. It's 9 p.m. I just gotta get a bit of content in before we go to sleep. All right. So before we head to sleep, I'll make a few apps. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Yo, what up, Nino? What up, Nino? What up, ChatGPT? That's a crazy name. Listen, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this. What up, big man? Welcome to the stream. We're strapping the mic on, and your boy's making the first app right now. Make a video game. Nah, Joel. See, that is gonna be a bit hard to make right now. Can I get her number? What is her number? You wanna get my number? An outfit that helps you choose what clothes to wear. Nah, nah, not that app. I don't know. Yo, I appreciate the like. Come on now, guys. You guys are crazy. You are not AI, bro. What are you saying, bro? I'm not AI. Kubenhound. I mean, or Kubenhound. It's more like eBay. No, I built that already. A school management app. I built that already. I appreciate the follow. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Build an app that lets you speak to your barber so you get a fresher trim. That's an app that could go viral. Yo, Nino, I appreciate the gift, man. Come on now. Come on now. We gotta see. We gotta see. Listen. I have 3 girlfriends. I bet they're all AI, man. Yo, Taha, what up, big man? Welcome to the stream. It's gonna be a chill one today. Listen, every time you say that, I don't know. I can't read it. All right. Let me see what app I'm gonna build. All right. We gotta find an app that we need to build right now. Try it. Nah, listen. Sometimes my cam is doing this. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening with it. All right. Brocha Cholo Rosic Mono. Damn. Do you want to buy my idea, Joel? Buy your idea? What are you talking about, bro? First you say Copenhagen, and then you mention that you have something, an idea that you want me to buy, bro. Come on now. I think your cable is loose. Listen, this cable is like shite. I'm not gonna lie. The cable is. I gotta get another one. I know. But I'll do that later though. I'll do that later. Make instead of Chat GPT, make Comica GPT. then make ideas for comics. That is a crazy one. Are we gonna start off the stream with that? Let me do that. My first girlfriend, DeepSeek, and second Gemini, and last one Alexa. That's crazy. Come on now, that's crazy. No problem, bro. Just telling it's still I. Yeah, for sure. Hey, Danny, have a great. Yo, I appreciate it, nice boy. It's very late right now. Like, I'm probably dropping off in like 30 or an hour. I don't even know. But thank you, big man. Okay, we're gonna make a Chat GPT. Okay, we're gonna make Comic Cat GPT instead of Chat GPT. Let's do it right now. Max Newer, I appreciate the follow. Come on now. Make an AI version of code with that. Nah, that's crazy. Come on now. Do you know another AI? You're looking at it right now. All right, come on now. Let's do it. Let's build the first app of the day before we know. Yeah, let's just build like 3 apps today or something, and then we end off the stream, all right? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I cannot speak too loudly, all right? It's night right now. Okay, it's night. Someone wanted me to build a comics GPT instead of Chat GPT, so let's do it. Create me a comics GPT instead of Chat GPT. While it's being built, let me know what to build next. Boom, that's the first video of the day. Come on, the first video of the day. What AI is that? It is Bloom.diy. It is a vibe coding tool where you can build mobile apps, full stack mobile apps, full stack native apps. Damn, bro, nearly 5K and it hasn't even been a month. I told you you're gonna hit 10K with it. Nah, I appreciate it. Listen, Tala, I appreciate it. All right. I don't know. We just had a lot of motion in the weekends and even Friday and even Monday. I don't know. You know, especially from like 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. I had a lot of motion. All right. But today we ain't streaming that early because we just got home. I enjoyed some time with my girl, and then yeah, bro's gonna forget his day ones at 10K. I'm telling you right now, nah, that's crazy. No, that's crazy, bro. I would never forget my day ones. Huh? You guys are crazy in the comments. But hey, on man. Fake? I'm your day one. What do you mean, Joel? You my day one, really? Really? Did you just prove Talha's theory though? Guys, I don't know. Civics, you ask it all the time, bro. I ain't gonna tell you again, big man. Come on now. Who are you? We gotta see your profile. Oh, that's a private profile. That's crazy. On which framework you using? Framework, what you mean by that? I use Bloom DIY, but that's a too technical question, right? I'm gonna get that answered in the next stream because I'm gonna ask the developers that, okay? I'm not a developer though, right? I won't forget Joel though. I will always remember. Nah, that's crazy. Why do you drink water? Because water drinks him. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy. What's your AI coding workflow? What do you mean, Masi? What do you mean? To be honest, Bloom is legit, lol. They refunded it because I changed my mind there. For real, Adrian, well, I'm not behind the support team, so I don't really know what's happening behind the scenes. I mean, not the technical part, so I wouldn't know that. But damn. Yeah, obviously we have a nice team. We don't want to have problems with other people, you know. I'm senior developer. Why are there so many technical people in this chat? I don't get it. That's crazy stuff. Do you completely vibe code? Your boy is not. Why is my internet so bad right now? I vibe code all the apps. I make content for the apps. I don't really. No, I'm not a technical person. I'll be showing you guys how you can make a full stack native app with Bloom. You know, you can share with other people. You can also download code, export all that. You know. This is the only tool I use. I'll be making content. Yo, what up, big man? Thepilo, what up, big man? Do you know I'm from Torrensa? I have no idea what that is. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea. How do you get users? I told you, Mazi. How you get users is that you make content. And then you just your content gotta be interesting. And then maybe you can stream too. Maybe you can reach out to other people. Maybe you can do Reddit. I don't even know. Like, there's a lot of ways you can get uses for sure. Lefty Sure, what up, big man? You have to apply for a job, brother. Well, this is my job. I'm never gonna get technical. Let me tell you that. Danny, you can fool the internet. Danny, can you fool the internet like Marlon did? Nah, that's crazy. Nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. Who am I gonna fake? Who am I going to fake it to? Huh? Listen, I got my little community of you guys. Would I fake it to you guys? Come on now, come on. That's crazy. That's crazy. For everyone asking, the AI's name is Danny Locho. Yeah, what does that mean? What does that mean? What I be making? I am making a comics GBT instead of chat GBT. So we're gonna see if it works. I don't know if it does, but if it does, it's a crazy app. Let me tell you that. How to drink water? Well, ChatGPT, I know you drink a lot of water, bro. The points finish so fast. Even before, what do you mean by that? What do you mean? Yo, Tamino, appreciate the follow. How do you get the app ideas though? Masi, there's so many different ways, right? Let me tell you this. So you can recreate apps. That's what I did for the official social media like McDonald's, Burger King, Uber. Recreate that with Bloom. Super viral strategy, you know, if it actually hits the algorithm. Or you can get other people to just come up with some ideas, because these streams, listen, we have a lot of footage that we got to go through. So ideas from there, and then also just get creative yourself or use ChatGPT, or see what kind of pain points there are on Reddit or something. First you sit there and cry and the water just comes. Nah, that's Tahoe. What are you saying, big man? What are you saying? So limited, you can't even finish making your app. What does that mean, Tepilo? What does that mean? When will they add the feature to publish it in App Store? I have no idea. There's no ETA yet on that. There's no ETA. He lifted the glass, sipped the water, and swallowed, letting it hydrate his body. That's true. That's true. Come on now. Can we make it later? The app that tracks your sleep recovery steps and something. Okay. We'll do that. I'll add it to the list. Add it to the list. All right. We got a long list. When I see you, I remember my dog. I'm gonna eat your dog, bro. I don't listen. I don't understand this. So everybody, these stereotypes, right? I don't understand. If you could eat a cow and you could eat a pig, why wouldn't you be able to eat a cat and a dog, bro? Like, tell me right now. We got to be honest. Why wouldn't you? Huh? So I don't understand it though. I don't understand it. Yo, Sagar, what up, big man? Welcome to the stream. How do you know my name is Danny, Sagar? How do you know my name is Danny? What do you mean? What do you mean? Listen, you're on the official Bloom YouTube, and you know my name is Danny? How do you know that? How do you know that? Shit, how do you know that? Did I mention my name somewhere? Bro, I told you once your email. Oh shoot. Never mind, bro. Never mind. You have to subscribe. I thought maybe you could make an app and finish it. No, obviously, I mean, you can finish. You can make an MVP of an app, but you cannot just put it out there, you know? You cannot put it out there like that, because then you gotta pay for the service. It's just like every other business. Hello, can I build a full room manager with APIs from booking applicants? Yes, you can probably do that for sure, Lolian, for sure. You are using DB. What is DB? What is DB? Can humans go to the sun? Your imagination can go to the sun. You can too. I know your name. Crazy. What do you guys listen? Are you guys like trolling me in the chat right now? What's happening? What are you talking about? The sun? You want me to create a sun app or something? Crazy people. All right, let's get into the TikTok right now, cause no, into the video. We gotta finish the video and then we're gonna make another video, right? Your boy's tired, you know. Boy's tired. The share. Now, what's happening with my internet right now? It's like 9 p.m. and it's acting up. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong camera. That's the camera. That's my other camera. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? Danny, make an app that shows your face shape and it decides the perfect hairstyle for you. Jack, is that like a looks maxing, hair maxing app that you're looking for? Because we can build that, right? It may be in the stream. We'll see. Can he implement a database too? Lulian, what you mean? So if you get it off Bloom, maybe use GitHub or something, export to GitHub, then yeah, for sure you can use your own database. Make an app to analyze routines. It delivers personalized efficiency advice. Yo, what the freak? Yo, you guys got goated apps. You guys got goated apps. How do I make it into an APK? Listen, with Bloom, you don't have to make it into an APK. Like in the future, we're gonna fix all those small problems, unnecessary problems. But you can download the code, you can export to GitHub, and then you find your ways from there. Really. Okay. Listen, I'll be talking like I know some technical stuff, but I do not know all these technical things that I'm saying. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a preset. I'm building an app like Bloom myself that could build app as a project. Sakar, that's crazy. You took inspiration from Bloom or something? Let me know. Listen, we're opening the app right now, boys. Look at that. Boys and girls, I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at that. See that? You see that? Come on now. Come on now. Come on. You see that? You see that? Okay, let's get into the video because I'm talking too much right now. This is Comics GBT. Choose your comic hero. But we gotta see how it looks on the phone. Okay, so we got Captain Marvel, Mystic Sage, Tech Ninja, Cosmic Cat. What are we gonna choose though? Like a Tech Ninja? You know why I say ninja? No, come on. Start conversation. Create me a comic. Let's see if it works. Oh. Does it work? Doesn't it work? Do we have to add our own API? Okay, then I gotta show this. Boom, done with the video. Now, if you want to test it, create it yourself. But let me know what you want me to make next. Boom. Yes, Bloom is the inspiration. The UI is crazy. Yo, that's crazy, Sakar. Yo, that's crazy that you mentioned that. Listen, this is my YouTube channel, all right? That's crazy that you mentioned that because Syrian, bro, he's crazy. Let me tell you that. Syrian, he's designing everything. Crazy guy. Bogus Pinted what does that mean? Okay, so it's WhatsApp, so it's web apps, not actual apps for phones. FMG, it is apps for phones. You can publish it yourself if you want to. If you're technical, you would know how to. If not, a quick YouTube search on how to use GitHub to upload using Expo. Super simple. You know the steps to troll the internet though? Who are you guys talking to? Who are you guys talking to right now? Who are you guys talking to? Sub, can we meet? What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? If you want to meet me, I'm in Copenhagen. Do you have the pass? I don't have the pass, not at all. Danny not using Bloom for 7 days. He fooled the internet. What are you guys talking about? Listen, Jack, you want to know funny thing? Listen. I always pre-record my videos. And there's a period where I don't use Bloom. If I'm busy with something, I always pre-edit them and then I post them on the internet. Like I don't really, it's not every day I use Bloom. Well, now I do, but you know what I mean? Okay, we gotta get into the next app. I just gotta read the comments and then we're gonna get into the next app, all right? I'm too slow at this. You need Apple account for dev? Yeah, for sure you do. Can you, like, this is super easy to create just an MVP of something, all right? We got a tech startup in Norway by Nice Boy. He uses our service to essentially, build MVPs of the mobile apps that he's building for other clients. So there's no problem with that, Easy way to make money. All this slandering. Come on now. Yeah, but I mean, I can publish in place. It's still easy to do, FMG. It's still easy. Can I stay at your homes? Nah, listen, boy. I don't got homes. All right. Listen, I don't got. This is plural. All right. I got a home. I don't got homes. Hey, but Talha, you can stay in the basement. I got you a little basement. All right. You fooled those boys so tough. What are you guys talking about? MVP for mobile apps. Stage 1 crash out. What do you guys say? Let's make maybe a food scanner for calories. Yes. Listen, somebody wanted me to create Cal AI. So, listen, maybe we're gonna do it now. Yeah, let's do it now. It's a kind of advanced app though. So let's see if we can do it. Bro, be capturing kids in nah, Sakar. What do you say, man? You trying to get me banned or something? Come on now. Okay, let's get into it. We all know Cal AI. We all know Cal AI, and somebody wanted me to build it, so let's do it right now. What is that app called? What is it called? Like, I know it's Cal AI, but how can I prompt it though? How can I prompt it? Give me a second, boys, and I'm gonna read the chat and girls too. I'm gonna read the chat. Listen. So you take a picture of the food, and then it gives you the calories and all that, right? What is that called? Rate me app where I can take a photo of my food and it gives me the calories. Sort of like Cal AI. While it's being built, let me know what to build next. Well, let's go. Let's go. Bro, if I just don't have the money for an hotel, can I just slide in? Yes, bro. What do you mean? You want to slide in my apartment, bro? Damn. Listen, I'm a content creator, bro. What you mean you wanna come over here, Taha? Come on now, Taha. I want to create apps with you. Nah. Come on, man. What are you saying? What are you saying, bro? You want to create apps with me personally? Nah, crazy thing to say. I'm not gonna lie. But listen, this might be the last app. This might not be the last app. Who knows? It's Tuesday. It's 9:20 p.m. right now. We gotta see what the options are. All right, it's working with React, nothing new, but nice try. Well, you still trying to bash Bloom, aren't you? Senior developer? What do you use? I use Bloom.diy. Jokes aside, bro, do you go to school or work, or just mainly focusing on your TikTok account? Well, I'm gonna tell you this. I dropped out of school at 17 years old. We had a business for 2.5 years. I then turned into being a content creator, and then we found Bloom, and now making content. You know, I've been making content for a long time. Keep going. What you mean, Jay? What mean by that? Wait. Did I miss something? Yo, Lena, I appreciate the roses. Come on now. Listen, that's crazy. Lena. You're back again though. And it's like, it's 9:20 p.m. here in Denmark. I don't know what's happening. You're still on? That's crazy. Doing CS at my country. Wait, what? Doing computer science at my country's top country and have no coding experience? Wait, what do you mean, Twizzy? What you mean by that? I don't get what you mean by that. What type account is worth it on Bloom? Well, what do you mean type account? You mean subscription? That depends. You make listen. I'm gonna give out how much I make or whatever, but I make a decent amount to be living in Copenhagen. What type of account? So if you're talking about subscriptions, all right, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Look at the stream. I'll tell you this right now. Boom. No, I left it. Oh, never mind. Listen. When you get into it, you sign up, you got the free account, you got 700 credits. That's a lot to create MVPs. I'm not gonna lie, that's a lot to create the first mobile app. All right, and then you got the starter plan where you can download the code and you get a faster preview, right? And I can get you 20% off right now, but because it's the weekdays, we don't have a lot going on, so that's why I can only give you guys 20 off. And then the premium plan, that's where you can export to GitHub and then just use a local IDE and then bam, go on from there, build it locally, syncs 2 ways. And then, yeah, the premium plan is pretty much worth it, I would say. Is Bloom billionaire company? Not yet. It's gonna be a billionaire company soon, for sure. Brian, I appreciate the heart, man. Come on now. You're in the Philippines, bro. What time is it for you? Why are you awake? What are you doing, Brian? Come on now. Damn, bro. I will give out flyers for you in my school. What do you mean, Taha? What do you mean by that? Are you good to link the idea? For the to be enabled to expand the idea on? Yo, Janet or Arj? What are you saying? I don't get what you're saying, big man. Hey, can you make mobile? Oh, what? Whoa, I'm tripping right now. Hey, can you make apps with ChatGPT on Android easy? What do you mean ChatGPT? You cannot make full stack native apps with ChatGPT and then be able to share with other people, unlike with Bloom. So that would be kind of hard to do. Wait, this is vibe coding, the technician. Yes, this is fully vibe coding. You're looking at the guy that makes content for the company and then grow that way. That's what I'm doing right now. Just woke up. It's 9:21 a.m. still. Nah, that's crazy. No, did I say 9:21? I mean 3:21. That's crazy, bro. You gotta get your sleep. What are you doing? What are you doing, big man? Come on now. Get your sleep. Brian, you look like a great basketballer, bro. Listen, Taha, he is. He is. Listen, this man, he isn't just good at shooting basketballs, bro. He can shoot too. I've seen it personally. All right, he beat me. What is the AI name? It is Bloom, the DIY. The glaze is crazy. Now, what you mean, Sakar? What you mean? It's 1 p.m. in India. 1 p.m. What are you doing up right now, bro? Are you not? You're not supposed to be sleeping for work or school or something. What are you doing, big man? Come on now. What do you beat me? Nah, Tyler, you gotta be. Stop being sus, big man. Stop being sus. You know, we played some soft. No, what is it called? What is it called? Not softball, bro. What is it called? I forgot. You know, where you can shoot, but it's not real bullets. What is it called? I forgot it again. How long it creates? Well, this has taken maybe 5 minutes. We're creating the Cal AI app right now. Yo, Clever, appreciate the follow. Yo, what's good? Hasu, what up, big man? What up, big man? I know you be having crazy moves. Hasu, I know you be having crazy moves right now. You gotta tell me about it though, cause you know you're doing something crazy. You played it soft. Hey, nah, Tyler, come on now. Get out of here, bro. Get out of my stream, Tyler. Come on now. What are you doing here, man? You gotta go to sleep. The car, you grinding? What are you grinding right now, big man? No, you're grinding on the Bloom inspired platform. Is that what you're doing right now? Okay, it should be done now. It should be done now. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure if it does. All right, I'm not sure if it does because camera apps, all these apps. Sometimes we gotta iterate. Sometimes we gotta do a lot of things. Right, a lot of things. Yes, nah, Sakar, you chirping, big man. Come on now. You gotta sleep, man. Listen, if you sleep, listen, you guys gotta sleep. All right, if we sleep, we'll be way better off. You know why? Because then we'll be able to grind even more. Okay, so hopefully this works. What app are you trying to make right now? I'll be making, what is it called? I'll be making a Cal AI clone. Man, just start to code, Andre. I'm not code, bro. You're looking at a content creator. I'm not a technical person. When is the next stream? Tomorrow. The next stream is tomorrow. We're gonna stream at like, I don't know, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 p.m. CST. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Sorry for that. What you mean, Andre? What are you sorry for? Where are you streaming? Well, yo, your boy's always streaming on TikTok. What do you mean by that? What do you do for a living? Your boy is a content creator. I'm the first content creator for Bloom. Your boy's making a lot of content. That's what I do. If you know Soundbox, I'm also with a Soundbox. You guys know that, right? Come on now. You're gonna see me on some ads again if you haven't already seen me. But that's what I do. I'll be creating content full time for Bloom and then just, enjoying my life. But we gotta see how it works though. I'm not sure if it works. All right. Okay, maybe it does. Camera. Can I get a QR? You want to get a QR? You can even, yeah, for sure. Yo, Lefty, hit me with a DM and I'll send you this link. If you're in something till now, you've been here for a very long time, big man. You know that, bro, I be living in Copenhagen. I earn a decent amount to be living here, But we gotta stay humble though. It sound too good. What you mean, July? What you mean by that? Sound too good. Trust me, a lot of content creators, they be making a lot more than me. Trust me on that. I know that because I've been working with, content creators that make a lot of money. I mean, bro, Kagan too. That's crazy, big man. Why is my internet so bad right now? Listen, it's never this bad. It's only because it's evening, right? Enjoy your life, brother. Go play first before going back to sleep. That's crazy, Brian. Enjoy your sleep, big man. Enjoy your sleep. What do you earn the most? I guess YouTube, right? No. Listen, you don't have to do YouTube. You don't have to do all that. You don't have to be you don't have to have your own social media to make money with content. Not at all. But how you get paid, July? You can search it up yourself on YouTube, man. It's simple, but people just don't do it. People don't do it, right? It's easy to make money with content, but people don't do it. They're too lazy. They stop after like what? After 10 days, 5 days, a week or something. You ain't gonna get paid if you ain't gonna continue, you know? So you're not a dev? No, Andre, I'm not a dev. Not at all. I'm a content creator. I'll be making content for Bloom. That's what I do right now. What we asking you, man, because you're legit. Now, what you mean? I'm legit. You don't even know. You don't even know. But hey, I am legit though. I'm legit though. Because why would I waste my time? You know, listen, why would I waste my time doing these streams if I didn't get paid for a company? Right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's open the app. Damn. Your boy gotta work on his cardio right now. Cause damn. Okay, we're doing that right now. My boy's laughing at yo, what up, big man? Tell me, why are you awake now? Man, you gotta go to sleep. Listen, the trades are calling you off, right? We trust you, bro, for now. You get paid for advertising Bloom, yes. Well, not. I get paid to make content for Bloom. But in other words, advertising could be another word for that, you know what I'm saying? I got, H1, come on now. You're back again, bro. H1. How are you, bro, how are you here right now? It's like 9:30 p.m. over here. Why are you here, big man? What are you doing? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh, it's 9 p.m. Chill. No. 9 p.m. man. You telling me to chill out? You know how late 9 p.m. is? Listen, I'm used to sleeping at like 11 p.m. bro. I'm used to watching a movie on the sofa right now. Not working. When I make apps on Bloom, it makes a lot of errors. What you mean, Lefty? If it makes a lot of errors, you screenshot the errors, put it in the chat, and then bam, you get it to fix it. Easy as that. What languages do you speak? I'll be speaking Danish, English, a little bit of Vietnamese, you know, a little bit. Okay, how many credits does it usually take to make an app? Well, it depends. So right now, a simple app, maybe 100 credits, an advanced app, maybe 300 credits. But we are always constantly working on making the code better, making the AI agent better, so it doesn't consume more, right? We're working on that. So right now, that's the estimates. Bro, you don't have to wake up too early tomorrow. Stop capping out. What you mean? What you mean by that? I gotta wake up early. What you mean by that? What you mean by that? I made a friend 10K today. I'm getting half. Yo, that's crazy, big man. Come on now, listen. Terminator in the chat, bro. He's a crazy guy. Let me tell you, crazy guy. He doesn't even have to go the traditional route. My guys, yeah, obviously I can't say your age, but my guys, he's young. He's hustling. Can you speak Mandarin? Nah, hell nah. Listen, I'll be speaking Vietnamese though, which is very similar to Mandarin. I think, you know, history, you know, all that history. So yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, bro, I opened the wrong app. Opened the wrong app on the phone. What am I doing? Am I tripping right now? We gotta open it again. What am I doing right now, huh? Yes, bro, Vietnam belongs to Austria. I know. Austria, nah. That's crazy. Austria? Listen, Austria's off the map. Who's even talking about Austria, bro? Listen, if you want to go to a nice holiday, you don't go to Austria, bro. You go to Vietnam, you go to the Philippines, you go to China, all right? China, I bet it's the craziest vacation site ever, bro. You see those people, the technology, you can do everything. That's kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? Bro, they conquered Vietnam. Vietnam is Austrian. What are you talking about, bro? We are French. Listen, there's a reason there's banh mi, which is, you know, like a sandwich. We got it from the French. I want to learn how to code using AI. Wes, if you want to do that, watch me. And I'm going to give you a quick guide in a second, because your boy got to test out the app first, all right? Nah, I gotta get on with the app because I talk too much. We got a Cal AI clone right here, but we got to see how it looks on the phone. So we got track your nutrition with AI. That's crazy. Today's summary, 0 calories. Well, I did eat a bit, you know. I was out. But you can scan your food. Does the camera work? Crazy. The camera freaking. That sexy face. That's crazy. Boom, we got history, home, scan food, everything that you really need on this app. Everything that you really need to everything that you really need to track your calories. Boom. I don't know why I said that. Crazy stuff. Let me know what you want to build next. Open Danny. Nah, what are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? It's Bloom.DIY. Stop spreading the lies, man. It ain't my own. Danny, the great Austrian guy. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Brother, I still can't use Bloom for some reason. It tells me an error. We need to. Yeah. Listen, my guy, let's get on a call maybe tomorrow or something. And then you screen share. Maybe tomorrow. Joel, I'm back. Yo, what a big man. Send an email for QR code for Kala. Yeah, I will hit you up. I will hit you up with the link, not the QR code. I'm gonna give you the link. Since when are you Japanese? What are you saying? What are you saying, Tala? What are you saying? No, big man. What are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying. Hey, listen. Next step right now. Maybe the last one. Maybe the second last one. Who knows? Who knows? All right. Sure, brother. Just call me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got you, big man Terminator. Come on now. If you guys want to connect, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. A fitness app. You want me to create a fitness app? A fitness app. Yeah. Let's create a fitness app. West, appreciate the follow. Come on now, big guy. Come on now. Lefty Shooter wanted me to create a fitness app, so let's do it right now. But we need to add a twist to it, so it doesn't. But we need to add a twist to it. So let's do it. Okay. Let me think of a twist. Create me a fitness app, but for every workout / progress my character develops in the app. While it's being built, let me know what to build next. Boom, let's go. You want to collab? I'm a famous TikToker. What you mean, Joel? What you mean? Bro, I have to rage bait troll you so you get more views. Nah, Tala, that's true. How do I apply to be a content creator? You apply, you send me an email and be specific. Everybody is never specific. I got one guy though. He's a UX designer. He was very specific. I'm forwarding his email. But listen, if you want to, send me an email. Tell me what you want to do. Maybe make a video on how you want to grow Bloom, like different formats, whatever you want to try. Maybe a plan, maybe whatever. Be specific. All right. Tell me what you want to do. Send it over to me, and I will read it through, and I will send it over to Alice. It's as simple as that, but people don't do it. They be sending me an email with like 2 lines of text, and that's it. You guys are never gonna get the job if you're not, serious. You just yep like, nah. What are you saying, Tyler? You want to nah, Joel? I'm fine, big man. I'm fine. Does Bloom pay you though? Obviously, yes. That's why I'm sitting here. Otherwise, I wouldn't waste my time, I wouldn't waste my time. What's your email? It is Bloom at, what am I saying? It is Danny at Bloom.DIY. Yo, Sidurardo. Appreciate the follow. Did I say that correctly? I don't know. Did I say it correctly? But hey, yes. Your boy gets paid. It is not by views. It is just a monthly thing. When I say just, well, it's a lot of things, a lot of things that we got to go through. But yes, I do get paid. I'm on a contract. Your boy's making content. Your boy's enjoying life. All right. This is for you. What is that? Listen, I'm watching this through my PC. I don't know what that is. Yo, Art, I appreciate the follow. Come on now, big man. The great Austrian guy. Now, what are you saying? But is that true, though? Listen. That gotta be a lie though. Austria, they have never invaded Vietnam, bro. I know my history. I don't know my history, but listen, I just know that the French did. They failed. The US tried to win a war. They failed. That's what I know. That's why Vietnam is so great, Look at me. Content guy. Austria did it yesterday. Are you from Austria, bro? From Copenhagen. Where you from, big man? Where you from? We got... What are you saying, huh? You must like Austria for sure. Gotta get. Listen, I might not be able to read off the what is it called now? The emails here, But I'm gonna tell you guys this. This is how unserious people are, you know. They wanna apply and stuff, but they just, you know, they don't do it correctly, which is super crazy. Let me find an email really quick. Give me a second. I'm slow. Damn, I can't find anyone right now. Listen. So I don't understand what this is. No, wait, not this email. Another email. Another email. Nah. Never mind, boys. I cannot find an email right now. I'm going through my email, my Bloom email right now. Look, I'm reaching out to inquire about the content creation for Bloom. How do I join? And then obviously, like, I said everything in a life. Like, how do you guys join? You join by, you know, being very specific how you want to do what you want to do, film what you know, film something, right? I said that in the email, and it's been 4 days, nothing, which is crazy. You guys want to make money with Bloom? You guys want to join Bloom? Join the company? Be serious. Come on now. Why Bloom makes many errors for me, Lefty? If it's error, you screenshot it and then you tell the AI to fix it. Simple as that. After that, create an app that talks about all the countries in the world, their history. So like a history app for the countries. Now let's do it. West, big man. That's a crazy idea. Let me add it to the let me add it to the list. Joel, why do you think I can read Vietnamese? I'm whitewashed. I was born in Denmark, bro. In Kolding, bro. What do you? I can't read it. Xin chào, tôi là Joel. Okay, so you're saying hello, you're Joel. Tôi có 300 người theo tôi. You got 300 followers. Tôi có để quảng vào Bloom. I have no idea what that last sentence means, alright? Gabriel, appreciate the follow. Etixio? Okay. Thank you for the follow, big man. Create an app that talks about the Austria-Vietnam incident. Ah, man. Get break out the shit. What are you saying, man? Joel, if you want to do it, listen. If you want to listen. You don't have to collaborate with me. You can even be a content creator, big man. So if you want to do that, hit me up with an email. If not, stay in the stream and chill. Can the app be downloaded? Not yet, but you can share it to other people. And if you have an iPhone, you can view it on here too. And if an Android, you can download Expo and then view it, you know, on your phone. Super easy to do. You can even add like a widgets, you know, of the apps that you build. Easy as that. I know my name is a little bit different. Yeah, I can't say the name. I'm gonna call you Matthias though. Matthias, all right, big man. I'm gonna call you that. I'm more into tech. What do you mean you're more into tech, West? Listen. If you're into tech, you're definitely more techie than me, because I'm not a techie person at all. You should send me a mail, big boy. Nah, what do you mean? What do you mean? I want to be a tech wizard. Crazy. Yo, today, what up, big man? Welcome to the YouTube, man. Kommer besøger i næste uge, så kan vi tage i forlystelsesparken. Now listen. Everybody is talking bad about what is called theme parks, bro. They're the funniest, they're the best thing on this earth, man. Like, why are people making fun of them? Huh? We like theme parks though. And everybody's like, oh, it's too childish. I don't like it. Crazy stuff, man. What do you say, man? Theme parks are the best, right? They're funny. Right? I've been to the theme park in Copenhagen. Crazy, big man. How many Zimbabwe dollars are you getting paid? Zimbabwe dollars? I'm getting paid a lot. Right? I could be a billionaire. No, I'm joking. I don't know. But hey, a lot in Zimbabwe dollars, you know. And again, come no. I took the chairs up in the sky. Very amazing. Damn, that's crazy, Joel. That's crazy. What site do you use? Yo, I use this one, big man. Lambda DIY. Can you create a website and make it functional with its domain? Well, we don't focus on building websites. We focus on building mobile apps, because we're trying to unlock the creator economy, so you don't have to create websites, because you got Lovable to do that. Specifically, mobile apps, all right? Nah, listen. I'm gonna go to a theme park maybe soon. Who knows? Who really knows? But hey, if there's any The Weeknd fans right here in the chat, are you guys going to the concert? Okay, look, we got the app right here. Now we gotta see if it works on the phone. All right, we gotta see if it works on the phone, cause your boy's ending live soon. Cause we gotta chill. We gotta eat some food. We gotta end off the day. We gotta chill. All right. I said that 2 times. Welcome to Gborg. Any text? Jack. Yo, Jack. What do you mean? What do you mean you what? Can you create an app where you can learn Austrian dialects? There are different dialects in Austria? Actually, I didn't know. Your boy didn't know. But hey, let me see if I can do that. All right. Maybe it's like an easy app. Let's see. No, I promised West that we will make, what is it called? We will make the history app with different countries and all that. So I'm gonna do that after. We might make your app, or we might go to sleep. Who knows? It's very late. 10 p.m. soon. Oh, I forgot to record. That's crazy. Many, bro. So you are from Austria, big man. You are from Austria. What up? I know you guys have a lot of money. Don't lie to me. Jobs be crazy over there. Create an app that talks about all the countries in the world and their history. Yeah, I'll do that. West, I'll do that. Trust me. After this one, and then I'll go to sleep. Alright, your boy gotta go to sleep after this. Okay. We got character fitness right here. So you can literally unlock. We got character fitness right here, but you can actually develop your character by going to the gym. So we gotta see how it looks on the phone. We got hero, level 1 fitness hero. That's crazy. Character stats, nothing. Right, nothing. Progress, start my workout, history, achievements. Okay. And you can even start your workout right here. What the? That's crazy. Now, obviously, I wouldn't test the app right now because we ain't going to the gym. But if you want to make a similar app, do it. Otherwise, let me know what you want me to create next. Boom. Mooch Cohen? Yo, what does that mean, man? What does it mean? Do you stream every day? Yes, West. I stream nearly every day. I didn't stream yesterday, though. I didn't stream yesterday. Your boy was tired yesterday. We had a lot of things to do. But I'm going to stream again tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. But Friday's going to be an even bigger day. When are you going to go live after this live? Tomorrow, Jack. I'm going to go live tomorrow at like 2 p.m. 2 p.m. CST, Copenhagen, no, Denmark time. We'll see. But we gotta do it earlier, because if we do it earlier in the day, yo, West, appreciate the heart, man, appreciate it. But listen, if we do it earlier in the day, we're gonna get more motion. All right, we're gonna get more motion. It's 21. That's crazy, Jack. Where are you? In Copenhagen or something? Big man, you're in Europe? What website are you using? I'm using Bloom.diy. Make an app called Foodie Scan that gives recipes and nutrition info by scanning ingredients. Now, Joel, that is a crazy one. Let me tell you that. Oh my days, I'm gonna add it to the Notion. Add it to the Notion. I'm in Germany. Jack is in Germany. That's crazy. Mega Windows, both. It's 1946. 1946. Where are you based? France? The UK? What does everyone boost Mac? What does everyone? What are you saying? CF. Can you pay your debts? West African. Yo, that's crazy. So it's still early for you, bro. It's still early. No? But let's create the next app. So I promised to create the country app. So let's do it right now. But I gotta film it first. So it's gonna be an app that talks about all the countries. Wait, how can I formulate that? I'm not a quick thinker. Let me tell you that. I'm not a quick thinker, but let's get into it right now. All right. Wes wanted me to create a history app for all the countries in the world, so let's do it. Okay, so how can I formulate this, guys? Come on, help me a bit. Hey, help me a bit in the chat. Come on now. Create me an app that talks about the histories of all the countries in the world. While it's being built, let me know what to build next. Oh Then we end it off. We end it off. In Ghana, GH, I cannot see the flag. So it's like bugged out. You know, TikTok stream doesn't allow me to see the flags. But that's Ghana, right? That's crazy. Taha lives in Austria. I already know that. I already knew that. Yes, I live in Norway because Joel said so. It's crazy. It's 21:46 in Norway. Damn, Norway too. That's crazy. And Canada, 3:47. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Why are you up so late, big man? Come on now, we gotta go to sleep. Listen, your boy's about to go to sleep, and then he's gonna wake up tomorrow. He's gonna edit a lot of videos to, you know, pre-schedule it, so I don't have to make videos every single day and then stream all day long. That's the plan for tomorrow. Can you connect Bolt news site to this app? Well, what do you mean? Can you? No, you cannot connect Bolt to here, but you can do this instead. I'm not sure how Bolt works, but let me tell you this, we're better. So what you can do, you can make the app right here, because you know who really builds full stack native apps, and you can share it immediately with other people. Download the code, and then you can export it to GitHub, run it locally on an IDE, and then it syncs both ways. So it syncs on your local machine and on here, right? Crazy way to make money. But most guys, they just don't get it. All right, they don't get it. What are you using, Lovable? No, your boy is using Bloom.diy. Norway Goofy. That's crazy. Come on out. Come on out. Create me map where I can select the country and it tells me all the important history about it. I'm kind of creating that right now, but you want me to create something similar? Let's do it. Let's do it. We add it to the list. Canada is 3 p.m. not a.m. though. Canada is deaf. Is it? It's p.m. Oh shoot. Is it p.m.? But your boy forgot. Listen, your boy forgot. Okay, I might have tripped out on what I said. Last time I was in Denmark, I fell asleep on the couch. What, Joe? What are you saying? What are you saying? Aren't you still in Denmark, bro? What are you saying, bro? You asked the chat what to tell the AI. Oh yeah, shit. That's true. Shit, you did, Taha. Shit, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just too fast. You know what I'm saying? I was too fast. Your boy couldn't wait. You know what I'm saying? I formulated that all in my head. What AI coder are you using? David Up. I'm using Bloom.diy. You create full stack native apps. You can share it immediately with other people. You can download the code, do whatever you want with the code, export to GitHub, and then it syncs two ways. You know, two-way sync. Build it locally. Bam. Use Expo to upload to publish to the App Store. Bam. Done. 9:50 p.m. Yo, where are you at? Mr. Eve X1, where you at, bro? Penguin just started a jazz band and is refusing to play. Yo, what the freak are you saying, big man? Germany. That's crazy. Listen, we have people in Denmark, Norway, Germany, Ghana, Canada. Where else? That's crazy. Crazy stuff right now. You guys are crazy. Create an app for yourself where it gives you ideas for new apps to create. Now, I'm gonna not do that. You know why? Because we need all the content in the chat. Come on now. Try Firebase Studio? No, sir. Your boy is a content creator for Bloom, and I'll be making sure that Bloom gets out to the world. I'm gonna showcase to you guys why it's the best vibe coding tool. Zimbabwe 21. Nah, that's crazy. 2151. Same here. Come on now. Great champs. Need to use Expo to be a native app. Already built native. Oh, David, that's a very technical question for David and Syrian, which I'm gonna ask them that, because I what? That's great, champs. Need to use Expo to be a native app already built native. Well, damn, David, I'm gonna tell you this. Disclaimer: I'm a non-techie. I have like a template of questions and answers, so I take it from there. But we use React Native and Expo. That's the only thing that I can say right now. Vietnam 2151. 2151. What are you talking about, Todd? Vietnam? Nah, hell no. Yo, Rose, Odd. Appreciate the follow. Audie. All the app you have created, fake data, need a real data, and give API key to make the app real. Well, obviously you can add your own API to it. So, and I'm showing you guys how to make the apps. And this is not just for technical people. This is for everybody in the world. So Well, what are you trying to say? Can I use Bloom on my phone? Yes. In listen, very soon you guys will be able to use Bloom on your phone. But a disclaimer, no, not a disclaimer, a spoiler. Your boy can already, your boy can already do that. Look, listen, I cannot show too much, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Look, boom, and then you prompt it. All right, nah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough spoilers. All right, Steven's gonna kill me for this, man. He's gonna kill me. Got you, bro. Yeah, appreciate it, David. Appreciate the follow, big man. But you're a technical guy, right? You are a technical guy. Come on now. Not my username. Appreciate the follow. Oh, bro, you killed it. What you mean? What do you mean, Mister? What you mean? What you mean by that? No. This is not me. But I showed you guys a little spoiler on the app. It's gonna be launched very soon, and it looks insane. Look, if we open it together, well, let me open TikTok. Listen, if we open it together, boom, wait, boom. Look at that. We got all the apps down here. You don't need to see that, and then press the plus. Boom. You prompt it. You got a few presets though, and then you just prompt it. Wait, what am I doing? You prompt it, and bam, that's it. Super nice, super sleek. And you guys know what I'm saying right now? Right? Is the app working or not? If it isn't working, your boy gotta deploy the app. Deploy the app. What am I saying? I'm tripping. Last app right now. I'm tripping right now. Hey, Llama started a podcast about conspiracy theories involving yo, what are you saying? Big man, what are you saying? Get out the live. What are you saying, big man? Yo, Mr. Eve Ox. Appreciate the follow, man. Can you create an app where the app creates you? Hey, you guys are giving me some crazy requests. I don't know about that, but you know what? That's viral worthy. So I'm gonna add it to the Notion document. Alright. Whoa. Crazy. How much cost, Mr. Evo? So this app took 70 credits. Alright, 70 credits to make a history app. And in your starter plan, you have 700 credits. So you can create a lot of apps. And now we gotta add the countries. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to add Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, Germany, and Vietnam. Listen, we gotta add the countries, alright? It doesn't do it first try. We gotta iterate. We always gotta iterate. You cannot one shot your prompt. If you think you can one shot your prompt, get out of my life right now. Have you created this better app than TikTok or YouTube or Roblox? Or what are you saying? I've created better TikTok. I've created better YouTube. I've not created better Roblox yet. But you're a Roblox player though? You should listen to Metallica. Nah. I be listening to my soft, little TJ music, kind of rapish pop. You know what I'm saying? This is great. Yes, Mr. Evo is insane. Hi, sir. Appreciate the follow, big man. Can you create an app which tell us the steps what Marlon did for one? No, Tal, what are you saying, man? What are you saying? Jose Pablo, appreciate the follow. But you just forgot Austria, bro. I know. There's a reason I forgot it, okay? Because of you, big man. Because of you. Me and Marlon needs to be stopped now. You gotta crazy. Create a Miss Grand International bed app. Now that's crazy. We gotta add it. Listen, this app we gotta add it to the Notion. That's my girl, by the way. We're gonna watch Miss Grand and Miss whatever because it's fun. Yo, Tobias, bro. Appreciate the follow. What do you mean, bro? It's viral worthy. Nah, I know it is. Marcuso, what you mean, Danish? I was born in Kolding, bro. Yeah. Snagadance. Where you from? My God, I'm from Denmark, but I'm Vietnamese. Why is OBS disconnecting? Like, what is wrong with my internet? Your boy's mad. What the fuck is going on? Like, I'm trying to create the last app right now, and it isn't working. Like, I'm super mad. I live in Norway. That's crazy, Philip. That's crazy. Jose Salins automations. You make automations? You create them? Appreciate the follow, big man. Come on now. Delica have some soft songs. Trust. Listen to nothing else matter now, bro. Get out my life, Joe. Get out my life right now. What I built is this. This is Bloom.diy, the best tool in the game. Maybe I'm biased. Maybe I'm not. You know, you gotta try yourself because we're gonna be in the news, on the news very soon. All right, very soon. By the way, did I mention that Bloom is YC backed? They've raised $3.4 million, and the founder behind Google Photos is the investor behind Bloom. Let me tell you that right now. Bondi, appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. So it's doing iOS app building. Damn, well, it's doing what do you mean iOS? This is just a preview for iOS. But yes, any mobile app, Android, iOS. Yes, for sure. Ash, I appreciate the follow. Come on now. Why don't you just use Base 44 or Roark? Because we are different than Base 44 and Roark. So, I mean, let me tell you why before I end the live. The reason we're better is because we built full stack native apps. Download the code, do whatever you want with the code. You can export to GitHub, do whatever. You can build it locally, IDE, whatever you want to, and then you can share with other people right now. If they have an iPhone, or they can download Expo on their Android, and then bam, like that's it. That's it. Like what other tools can do that? Tell me right now. And it is, listen, if you're a little bit technical, all right, you can make so much money with Bloom, and I'm gonna tell you how. You build the full stack app here, bam. You get the premium plan. You export to GitHub. It syncs two ways. You use an IDE, Claude, Windsurf, Cursor, whatever, and then you build it locally, and it also updates here because of the two-way sync. You can literally upload it using Expo. That is like, bro, you can make so many apps, and people don't understand that. You know, they don't get it, which is crazy. Like, it's insane. Like, the amount of money you can make if you're just a little bit technical, right, is insane. Let me tell you that. When I download you on Bloom, Taha, you can do whatever, bro. You can do whatever, big man. Okay, I gotta read the comments. Give me a second. Your boy's slow. How would you use this for Swift, or is it React Native only? I think this is only React Native. That is what I know. I'm a non-techie. Listen, I got a template of questions and answers. React Native only. I'm using it. I'm using it. It's working amazing. Yo, that's crazy, West. That's crazy, big man. Come on now. How much is Bloom? I'm gonna show you right now how much Bloom is. Listen, if you guys stay tuned for the weekends, I'm gonna give you guys some crazy codes. Who knows? Who knows how much off it is? All right. But I got the premium plan because I need all the features to show it to you guys. Otherwise, I get unlimited credits. Your boy has unlimited credits. But yes, Starter, you can download the code. Premium, you can sync to GitHub. And Pro, you have everything you need. But in this stream, I'm not trying to convert you guys. I'm trying to show you guys how good Bloom is. You know? Name a country for edit. Jack, what do you say? Jack, are you an editor, bro? Vietnam. Edit Vietnam right now. Oh, Joel, I'm gonna listen to it after the stream. Your boy gotta end it after this live. Come on now. Good night, bro. Wish you a nice stream. Listen, Taha. Bro, I wish you a nice sleep, big man. Come on now. Enjoy your night, bro. Have a good sleep, big man. Listen. We just gotta add these countries to the app, and then we gotta go to sleep. We gotta end the stream, but it's been like super nice. Nah, I ain't gotta listen on here. Come on, Joe. I ain't gonna listen on this stream. Your boy gotta go soon. He ain't got a lot of time. Okay. Hopefully the app works now. If it doesn't work, we're gonna go to sleep. All right. If this app doesn't work, your boy's gonna go to sleep. All right. Okay. Did it already deploy? I don't know. We gotta see if it works though. Oh, it's deploying right now. All right. Last app of the day, boys. Last app of the day. Let's see if it works right now. If it doesn't work, we're gonna end the stream right now. Okay, I'm gonna end it as fast as I can if it doesn't work. It doesn't work. We're gonna go to sleep. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, I gotta get on the phone. Because this is for the phone app. This is an app for the phone, so we gotta see if it works. All right. Boom. Screen recording, and then we get onto Bloom. Boom. You remember my recipe saving app? Yes, Philip, I do. It's on my Notion document as well, big man. We got the history app right here, but we gotta see if it works on the phone. Bloom is a nice concept, bro. You are founders? No, David, I'm not the founders. David and Siren, they're the founders. If you go onto Google, you search Bloom.diy for David or Siren, you'll see that LinkedIn, or you can go to our Twitter, where David is also known. Actually, David is like a superstar on LinkedIn. He has a lot of followers on LinkedIn. I don't even know why, but yeah, he's a super techie guy. But yes, they founded Bloom. David, super stacked engineer. Syrian, the best designer. All right, Yunus, I appreciate the follow, big man. Danny, are you the only content creator for Bloom? Yes, right now I'm the only content creator because nobody really takes. I'll be honest, a lot of you guys are wusses. Like, come on now, you gotta be specific in your email. If you want to be a content creator, if you want to be an engineer, whatever, stop being a wuss, man. You gotta be specific about the things, and then you can get, a role at Bloom. You know what I'm saying? Now, I gotta finish the video, and then we gotta go to sleep. All right, Philip, I gotta go. Yo, enjoy your night, big man. Enjoy your night. We gotta add some sample data, so let's do it right now. Load sample data. So I asked it to. No, I can't say that in this. Okay, we got Egypt, Japan, and France. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's go to Japan. I don't know. That's crazy. Look at that. All this data. You could actually be a history teacher using my app. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, like, come on now. That's a lot of money. Now we got to see basic information. Asia, yes. Historical overview. Blah blah blah. Listen, I don't need to read all this because I already know it. Let me know what you want me to create next. That is the last one. Backed by Y Combinator, that's impressive. Yes, bro. YC backed, $3.4 million raised, and the founder behind Google Photos is the main partner for Bloom. Super huge. And they met Sam Altman and all those people. Crazy stuff. Let me tell you that. Yo, David, I appreciate the share, big man, but we gotta go to sleep right now because your boy is tired. Your boy gotta stream again tomorrow. A gooning app, Rach. You can goon to AI, big man. You can goon to AI. You gotta touch some grass. Whoa, I'm grateful to come across to you. What you mean, Yunus? What you mean by that? What you mean? Come on now. I've just been making the content. I'll just be enjoying you guys. No. Enjoying you guys? That's crazy. I just be enjoying, this stream. You guys know what I'm saying? Come on now. I'm tired. That's why. Listen, I gotta go now. Enjoy the day, guys. I'm Beginning F right now. Boom Joel. Enjoy your day, Brody. That's crazy. Make that happen.